Cindy here, physical therapist. I wanted to bring you a quick tip on one item that is certainly a safety hazard in the home, and that is cords. So as a physical therapist, I would cringe to see a cord across a pathway like this. We always recommend this somehow is moved out of the pathway. But worst case scenario, I've had some clients that were unable to do that, only outlet available. So in that case, what I recommend is either trying to tape that cord down to the floor. Now on a wooden floor, I'd hesitate a little bit with duct tape, but then another option for that is this cord cover. So this is a pliable cord cover. You slide the cord in here and you lay this down on the floor. So let me show you how that works. So now we've cut the cord cover to length, and we've also got the cord in here. Now for information's sake, this cord cover just covers one cord. So now what you're going to do is you're going to put this back in place. So we'll put this in here. We'll get the cord cover lined up here. Now when you're putting this down, we would like to have it as perpendicular to the path as we can, but some areas may not allow that. Just get it the best that you can. Now with this cord cover, we did get some double-sided sticky tape. It definitely needs that. It needs to be secured down to the floor. This tape is a little bit thin, so you may want to check out some other double-sided sticky tape for carpet or for hardwood floors. So you're going to secure this cord cover down to the floor, making this pathway a safer path. Now one other thing I want to tell you is if you have a couple of cords that run close to the wall, something like that, you always want to take those cords and bundle them. Maybe with something like this. This is a Velcro holder. You put this around them. You want to bundle those cords, get them next to the wall as close as you can. Make sure that they're secure so that this path is clear. So that's a safety tip, again, on a clear pathway to help prevent falls.